All right, fellas. Que pasa, y'all? This is my new 2020 F150 Lariat. It's got the Coyote 5.0 in it. Just got it a week ago. Tinted the windows. It's got an intake. Got lights on the way. Headlights on the way. Alpha X fog lights. I have Solo Performance exhaust to install, and the tuner should be on its way as well. So plans for the truck, we're gonna do either a 3.5 drop or a 4.6 drop, traction bars, you know, all the goodies needed to try and make it hook the best we can make a truck hook anyway. There's the wife's car. So anyway, here's a start of the stock exhaust, and Solo Performance soon to follow. All right, there you go. Stock as could be, quiet as could be. Not my favorite sound, but anyway, the neighbor up the street. We'll get the exhaust installed and do another video of sound, and then a couple drive-bys so you can hear what it sounds like in wide open throttle and just regular acceleration. So this should be a fun little project. I did end up trading in my Ram, so we're gonna try the Coyote out, but there you go. So keep you guys posted, and next video will be with the exhaust. All right, catch you guys in a bit. All right, guys, back with the F150. Got the cap back on. I originally ordered the Solo Performance exhaust and it didn't fit, so I had to send it back, and now we have MBRP side exit. So I'll let you guys listen to what that sounds like. Truck is a little bit warmed up. It was running earlier. But here you go. Now time to get my tune on here so I can rev it higher. But there you go. So after the tune, I'll do some driving videos and go from there. Then it's time to drop this beast and get some wheels on it, and then twin snails. So that's it for now. I'll catch you guys later on. Have a Merry Christmas. See ya.